Hey guys, Sans Lord here, and today I'm going to be showing you my Lego puzzle box. Let's get into it. So, it's on a... Sorry everyone, I'm just moving. It's on a 2x4x4 base plate, and here's the 360 view. You cannot shake anything out. As you can see, my room's covered in Lego. And it's not much to say about this. It's nice, small, portable. You can't shake anything. It's very simple, very easy. If you want, there's a channel that I recommend you watching. It is called Vanoss Gaming, and two channels actually, Vanoss Gaming and Guava Juice. They wouldn't have if Guava Juice, Dad TDM, Stampy, the Ballistic Squid, and Vanoss Gaming. If you're there, I love you guys. You are what makes my life meaningful. Okay. I'm not breaking it. You take this bit off. Then you get the key. Get the key. Then this key. Goes in there. You push it. The prize is, well, you can put. I did a 2x2 flat next to a nice page. Right guys, if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. So long, suckers.